information regarding shelters and or locations. There are other means of information that you can use. If you're able to use Yellow, you're able to use the World Wide Web. Use it. Google is your friend.
I'm trying to find out if there's power. I cannot get a hold of an elderly mother and uncle in Kings Point. Does Kings Point have power?
If you have a medical condition or are allergic to something, please write it down and tape it in your arm just in case someone gets to you.
As far as the elderly are concerned, there is a specific page for elderly and families with small children, so on and so forth. I want to say it's CORS, C-O-R-S, Rescue.
No, it's actually, and this is the moderator of it, it's COR, C-O-R, Rescue. C-O-R, Rescue. This is the channel for seniors, for individuals with disabilities, and women, families with very small children, multiple children. C-O-R, Rescue, and that's 2 words. COR, Rescue. Find that channel.
Also, guys, if you're moving around, make sure you guys got goggles or some sort of glasses to keep track of debris flying around. Keep that alert.
Thanks for that update, Course 300.
Would anyone recommend coming from Tennessee to Florida to try helping out for my family? I'm debating it, but I want to know how bad it should get, or if I should just stay put up here.
I would stay put where you're at until the storm is passed. Where are you at in Tennessee? You may be getting some of it yourself.
Sienna, go ahead and send me a personal request. Foster W28. I'm with the Michigan 3% Militia. We have a joint operation. We're sending a convoy down next Saturday evening. We'll be arriving in Florida the following Sunday at approximately 6 a.m. We're rallying in Tennessee and convoying down. We're meeting some brothers and sisters there, and there's also a platoon from Maryland that will be rallying with us in Tallahassee.
If you're coming from Tennessee, just bring resources down. You probably won't be able to make it to your family, but you can definitely help.
Hello. Is there anybody know about Brickell? Is it flooded? Is it flooded? Is Brickell flooded?
Brickell is not flooded.
Do you guys know when it's going to hit Tampa?
Brickell Ave is flooded. Brickell Ave is flooded.
No, you need Wi-Fi or data for this app to work.
Does anybody know if there is any stores open anywhere?
Does anyone know the death toll?
There is a 6 p.m. curfew mandatory for Hillsborough County residents. You will be arrested if you're out at this time.
The Fire Chat app works with Bluetooth if you lose Wi-Fi and data. Fire Chat.
Hello, help. Please help. I'm being flooded. Help, I'm being flooded. Help.
Where are you? What area are you?
I actually am located in Troy, Tennessee, about 2 hours from Memphis, but right now my main concern is the family down there. That's why I was wondering if it's safe to go down there.
I would just stay put until the worst is over.
Be advised, clear the air, clear the air. This is Administrator GW, clear the air.
Welcome back, GW. Corbett standing by.
GW, I don't believe you got enough sleep. Welcome back.
Hey, GW, I'm back on as well.
Shut the fuck up already. Soft dead.
Hey, man, let him talk. This is Mad Max from upstate New York. I got me and the 8 guys. We're standing by for confirmation from you, and we're going to head down and link up with the search and rescue.
Please keep the line open for emergencies. Thank you.
So is it true Key West is underwater? Everything is underwater?
Listen only.
We're all gonna die in Hurricane Irma. The shit was done. We're gonna die.
Please clear the line.
If you have an emergency question, please ask now.
Heavy Remy, please clear the line.
Tornadoes located near Fort
Can I get an update on Homestead? Can I get the location of the hurricane?
Brother decided to go put his e-brake up on his car.
If you have AT&T or Verizon, you have free data, so don't worry about...
Clear the channel, immediately clear the channel. This is an update regarding 2 possible tornado touchdowns that have now been confirmed. There is one in Melbourne and there's another one in Tampa Bay. Please stand by for track. If you're in that area, please seek shelter immediately. Listen to your weather radio and or alerts on your phone. This is not to be taken lightly. There are 2 active tornadoes on the ground, Melbourne and Tampa Bay.
Just an update on Pasco County. It started raining.
Eye of hurricane is near Miami. The eye of the hurricane is near Miami.
Oh.
Please refrain from posting information regarding if it's raining or if it's drizzling or if it's this or if it's that. You may understand that majority of the Florida state will be under some type of weather conditions moving forward. We understand and thank you for your help, but please refrain from using such information in the channel as it is currently irrelevant. This is for search and rescue and emergencies only.
This is Josh from Illinois. I'm just curious on an update.
How can the eye be around Miami when it's coming up the west coast? How can that be?
It's not. That was bad information. The eye of the hurricane is just north of Key West at this point on the west side.
Standby will provide actual hurricane location in a second.
He's probably saying it's parallel to Miami, more like, but it's not even that close yet. What's the death toll so far?
What about West Palm Beach? How are we going to get impacted?
Why don't you watch your local news channel or use your phone to Google it? This is for rescue and recovery.
Stay off the channel if you're not going to ask questions about rescue or recovery, please.
In Broward County, just heard there was a tornado. Can anybody give me the track?
Is the tornado.
That tornado's touchdown.
Please give me the track of the tornado. Anybody know the coordinates of Broward County?
The tornado has touched ground. Hunker down.
What is the tornado touchdown?
What they're asking for is a location in the area where it is at.
Tornadoes are unpredictable. You'll never know where it is. It's like tornado watching.
If you don't have power and can't watch your local news, please put a weather app on your phone that will advise you of the weather in your backyard. They are alerts that will alert your phone to the weather near you. Use your common sense. If you don't have power and you can't watch the local news on your TV, add a weather app to your phone that will contact you of bad weather in your backyard.
Thank you for that.
I'm not sure if a tornado touched down 2 seconds ago, it would actually be on that app.
The Weather Channel app will track your phone and give you updated weather and alerts for your immediate area.